the nucleus and ribosomes. We'll be talking a lot about the nucleus and the machinery that makes proteins. It's an important part of cellular biology. But for now, the nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane, and it's going to contain the genetic instructions for the cell. The DNA and associated proteins are called chromatin. Ribosomes are composed of protein and rRNA, the special type of RNA, and they use instructions from mRNA, that's messenger RNA, to construct or synthesize proteins. And as we said before, almost everything in the cell is made of protein. At least a lot of the cell is made of protein. Now, there are two types of ribosomes. There are free ribosomes, and these are ribosomes that make proteins that stay in the cytosol. And then there are ribosomes that are bound to the ER, that's the endoplasmic reticulum. And these are proteins for export. So they're not going to be used in the cell they're made at. So if you're going to secrete something, there are proteins that are going to be excreted.